Friends, welcome to our channel Properties at Nama Mysuru. Today I'm showing you a property, 40 by 60, 2,400 square feet with built-up area around 48 squares, 4-bedroom duplex house at Vijayanagar, first stage, Mysuru. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ 40 by 60 ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋ 2,400 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 48 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ವಿತ್ 4-bedroom duplex house. It is a fully furnished duplex house actually at Vijayanagar first stage, Mysuru. ಇದು ಮುಡಾ ಅಲಾಟೆಡ್ ಸೈಟು, ಸೊ 30 feet ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆ. It is a ಮುಡಾ ಅಲಾಟೆಡ್ plot and it has a 30 feet road at Vijayanagar first stage, Mysuru. So this house is for sale. So basically, this was built for their own purpose. Due to certain reason, they're shifting to a different place. So they're selling this plot, selling the house. So idu west facing side barutte, so or plot and west facing door. So this house is situated on like west facing plot and west facing main door. So you can just see the parking area with the beautiful garden. So ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೋರ್, ಸೊ ವಿತ್ flooring, anti-skid flooring plus wall tiles. So it has a safety gate also, so with the teakwood door and windows. So idakke safety door ide with the teakwood windows and door. So this is a west facing door, so with complete teakwood windows and doors. So beautifully done interiors actually. So if you look at the house, we love to kind of buy it. So this house is sold including all the furnitures and fixtures basically. So ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ವೇರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. So you can just see the living area. It's furnished living area. So this has sofa, and all the fixtures, TV unit with LED screen and home theater. So beautifully done. So it has a false ceiling with the chandelier. So this house, as said, was built for their own. So this has a Italian vitrified flooring. So beautifully done interiors actually. So basically this house can be bought for corporate clients for the stay. So it has a very good interiors with ample air and light. So with curtain rails, with curtains, with quality construction and interiors. So ಈ ಮನೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. So this houses come for sale actually. So it is at Vijayanagara first stage, very close to Corporation Bank, and just half a kilometer to Vidyavardhaka Engineering College and close to Kalidasa Road. So you can see the chandelier beautifully, kind of. So it is a fully furnished house for sale with present fixtures. So this is the dining area. So this includes dining area plus dining table plus the showcase. So this house is 1.5 years old. So ಈ ಮನೆ ಒಂದೂವರೆ ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪೂಜಾ ರೂಮು. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಾಲ್ ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ till the top, with beautiful lightings and teakwood windows and teakwood doors. So ground floor alli it has a one bedroom ide, plus it has a queen size cot and attached bathroom with wardrobes and dressing unit. So with the AC also, with curtains and curtain rails, complete like ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್. ಏನೂ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹಾಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೇಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ವೇರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ. So with Western closet, Jaguar fixtures, and sink, shower, so with good ventilation, with geyser. So it is a complete packed kind of furnitures and fixtures actually. Nothing to invest. So ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ you can just pack your luggage and come and stay here. So it has a double door fridge. So this is the kitchen area. You can see the kitchen area, how big it is. Spacious modular kitchen with storeroom, with chimney, and kind of very ample space actually. So with water filter, everything. So idu spacious modular kitchen, such a huge kitchen actually, the storeroom, plus ample space actually, with all this one fixtures. So the 4 burner stove also. So this is idu back side entrance hello. This has a safety gate again, plus grill around the utility area. So ಮನೆ ಸುತ್ತನೂ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಗ್ರಿಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಂಗೆ. So for the utility area. So friends, kindly help me to kindly do such more videos. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. So to encourage me to do such more videos. So this is the sink area, washing area basically. So this has a kind of garage, car garage. So ಇದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಗರಾಜ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಓನರು ಅವರು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಸಾಮಾನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಸಹಿತನೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ with bathroom actually. So servant, it can be used as a servant room also. So the entrances also can be taken from the car garage. From the front the entrance is there. So you can see the sink area also. So it has a utility kind of for the UPS. So this has a granite steps and steel railings. We are moving towards first floor. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ granite floor steps ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ plus steel railings. You can see how beautifully the elevation is. So ಸ್ವಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಮನೆ ಇದು. Due to their shifting they're moving to a different place. So they've bought a bigger property than this. So they are moving. So that's why they're disposing of the property. So you can see the beautiful chandelier actually. I think it's bought from a different country. So ಇದು 4 BHK ಹೌಸು. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸೋಫಾ ಸೆಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಏನು ನೀವು ಸೋಫಾ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ದಟ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ 4 BHK ವಿತ್ 4 bathrooms and 1 common bathroom actually. So you can watch the common area. So this is the second bedroom, master bedroom actually, which is queen size cot and with AC and with false ceiling. So it's on the first floor actually. So you can see everything is kind of, it's very spacious, with wardrobes plus dressing unit, and every bit of the house has been taken care very well. So ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಾರ್ಡ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಹೌಸ್ ವಿತ್ curtain rails, and this has a attached bathroom. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಫಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್, ಗೀಸರ್ಸ್, shower, separate with the western closet, sink. So everything is kind of, it's a full packed, ready to occupy a house ಇದು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ rack. So this is the third bedroom actually. Again, this has a very with queen size cot, and with TV unit with sofa. Then it has a separate dressing unit plus attached bathroom. So very spacious rooms actually, excellent. You can see the TV unit also, and with the dressing unit. So ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ everything is taken care actually. So again this has in one more additional wardrobe. So this we are moving on to the same room alle separate dressing space ide. So it has a separate dressing unit actually with the wardrobes actually. So you can see how big the wardrobes are, with huge ample space, with dressing table, and with beautiful lights. So this bathroom has a western closet plus a jacuzzi. Okay, the jacuzzi fit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Basically they call it as a bathtub. Bathtub has plus with all the fixtures actually. Western closet, shower, sink. So first floor ಅಲ್ಲಿ it has a two bedroom actually with both attached toilet and attached separate dressing unit, dressing table. So ಇದು balcony area. It has a balcony area actually. ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ study table ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it can be used as a study table. So ಇದು balcony area ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. somehow the lock is not there for this. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕೀ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೇಷಿಯಸ್ balcony area. So with safety gate and door. So you just watch how beautiful the house is with the Italian vitrified flooring. So you go way towards second floor actually. So basically it goes to the terrace also. So beautiful granite steps and steel railings, and you can see the teakwood windows with ample light and air. So idu 4 BHK duplex house with 4 bathrooms, attached bathroom plus one common bathroom, for sale basically. It is at Vijayanagar first stage. So ನೋಡಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹಿತ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಓನರ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಜಿಮ್ or exercise yoga area. So very spacious, ample kind of beautiful room actually, which has an attached bathroom also with western closet, sink, shower, so completely all the fixtures. So ಇದು ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿರೋದು with attached bathroom. So all 4 bathrooms has attached bathrooms and one common. So this is towards the terrace area. Again there's a teakwood door and safety gate, safety iron gate. So it has a sit out area also. So with the manglu tiles hakidare mele anchu. Basically it can be used as a party area or kind of drying clothes. So this house is for sale. So ಇದನ್ನ ಓನರು they want to sell it at 3.25 crores. 3,25,00,000 ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So it all depends on how fast you kind of do the deal. So this house is for sale at 3,25,00,000. So 4 BHK house, 4 attached bathroom, west facing plot and west facing side. So thank you for watching properties at Namma Mysuru. If you need any more details, you can connect me on the blinking number. And again, thanks for watching properties at Namma Mysuru.